In today's class, we will be learning topic, humility. Humility, simply put, is that state of mind depicting a modest opinion of oneself. It is one of the greatest attributes of a Christian, without which one's claim to be in Christ is not genuine. Paul's teaching on humility. Paul's teaching to the Philippians was to give them a sense of humility among themselves. As at the time, Paul wrote the message, great disunity existed among the church members as a result of lack of humility. Paul used the case of Jesus Christ to show them what humility is all about. He said Jesus was in the form of God, but he did not count himself equal with God. He took the form of an ordinary servant and was born in the likeness of man. In the human form, he humbled himself and became obedient unto death, even on the cross, which was considered as one of the worst forms of death. How Christians express humility. Christians can demonstrate humility in their lives by respecting themselves and others, showing love to the needy, showing forgiveness to others who might have offended them, ensuring peace and harmony in the society in which they belong, being law-abiding, contributing to the welfare of the society. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.